Having trouble activating your Optus eSIM? Don't worry. Most issues have simple solutions. First, ensure your device is eSIM compatible. Optus supports over 1,200 devices, including iPhones from XS onwards, Google Pixel series, and select Samsung Galaxy models. Check Optus's website for the complete list. Next, the QR code. Make sure you're using a valid QR code. They typically expire within 24 to 48 hours. Scan it in good lighting with your device's native camera app or a dedicated QR scanner. Still not working? Check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for downloading the eSIM profile. If you've recently updated your iOS, especially to iOS 18 or Android version, restart your device. A recent firmware update in September 2025 fixed QR code scanning errors on iOS 18 devices, so make sure you have the latest version. Lastly, double-check your device's IMEI number matches the one associated with your Optus account. If basic troubleshooting fails, there are more advanced steps you can take. In your device settings, try manually installing the eSIM profile. Optus support can guide you through this process. Sometimes, outdated software can cause problems. Ensure you have the latest operating system updates. For example, a 2025 case study showed that an iPhone 14 user had issues due to an outdated iOS version. Contact Optus support for specific firmware patches if you're using a Samsung device with an older Android version, pre-12. Looking ahead, eSIM technology is evolving rapidly. By 2025, eSIMs account for 25% of new activations in Australia. Optus is integrating AI chatbots for real-time diagnostics, aiming to proactively fix 70% of common issues. Future trends include seamless dual SIM integration for international travel and potentially satellite eSIM support for remote areas by 2030. Stay updated on Optus's website and app for the latest compatibility information and troubleshooting tips.